I'm currently packing for my weekend trip to Texas. I just kind of thought I'd pick up the camera. Dear Evan Hansen in the background, and I thought I would just film because I'm kind of nervous about my flight tomorrow. So I'm trying to distract myself, and packing's a good way to do that. So here's what I have packed so far. I just packed these for probably my flight back, and then these for when I'm in Texas because it's supposed to be raining and I know my family, we won't be doing anything cute and fun, so I'm gonna need good shoes. And then I just have some black jeans, my nice cozy sweater probably for the flight back because planes are cold, one t-shirt, 2 t-shirts because it's supposed to be raining, but it's supposed to be about 86 degrees. Probably like 70% humidity. Love Texas. Then I also have a little rain jacket thing. It's not really waterproof, but it's the closest thing I have since, you know, I live in California and I'm not expecting much rain, even though it hasn't stopped raining here in like 2 months. So there's that. Anyway, for my flight tomorrow, I will just be wearing some jeans. These are my favorite Reformation jeans that I wear in all of my Instagram pictures. I'll be wearing my King of New York sweatshirt from my Supply Co because that's my favorite, and I mean, musicals are my like comfort, so I will be listening to Newsies and Dear Evan Hansen and Phantom of the Opera and many other musicals on the plane, so I thought it only fitting to be comfortable in my Newsies sweatshirt. And then I'll also be wearing my navy blue kind of platform Converse to kind of match the sweatshirt a tiny bit, but we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'll probably film a lot because for some reason filming makes me feel a lot better. So I'll probably have my camera out and about tomorrow and the next couple days and keep you posted. But until then, goodbye. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. I'm about ready to head off to the airport, just waiting for my sister to get here. And then we're gonna be on our way. I haven't been anxious at all, but I've been nervous about being anxious. So like for now I'm good, but we'll see. I'm getting on the plane one way or another, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm very positive and I'm hoping for the best, and I know it's gonna be great and we're gonna have a ton of fun and I'll be back here before I know it, so see you at the airport. The world's smallest airport. The lighting in here is interesting. But we made it through security with ease.
Now it's time for food.
Gotta eat something.
Expensive magazines.
Expensive magazines. Things to make us happy on the flight. $15 cheese. It's like, well, yeah.
We're going over Greenland, it's like
negative 73. Yeah. So we board at 10:42. So what time should I pop that Benadryl? Me. In she goes. Go on, Tommy. Oh, got sucked in. It's very cold and I took my sweatshirt off. Hey. Here we go.
Because you have to speak English. Yeah, so barbecues, deer feed, wood, everything. Brisket. That's what I'm afraid.
Bedazzled cow heads. Oh my god. Oh my god, a pop socket. And then random homeware.
Oh, in Grandma's house, wasn't there a frame with just like
I'm like, the picture of the original.
people? I thought
She could not figure out who they were, and I was like, that's just the people that came in the picture frame.
Why is it there?
Texas fudge. The Walter Mitty. I'll have one small beer shoe. But it's honey, that's so cute.
It's so cute.
Pawnee!
Hey.
Assuming it's hot sauce. Hot sauce, yes. Ghost pepper and blueberry? That actually sounds fun. I just love jalapeno. I don't know what my favorite thing was about that religious experience. On the door going in and out, there's a sign that says, please, no shirt, no shoes, no service. We're in the middle of Texas. Like, you know, the beach places have that sign.
Canyon Lake's not too far. People stop to get ice, beer.
And just come in all gross?
No shirts, no shoes.
See, I'd like you to look at this Fiesta vendor booth poster and tell me what's wrong with it.
Oh my god. It's Club Penguin.
Yeah!
What the heck?
There's a Club Penguin.
How did they do that?
I have no
I
idea.
looked at it, didn't see anything in there.
Good one to take me up, baby.
It's like the Disneyland castle, it gets smaller every time you see it. Just ran right into a branch. Don't touch any of them. Into the thick of it, and we can't see where we're going. I think this is the most green ouch ever seen in Texas. I don't know why I said ouch, a bug just landed on me. Like 99% sure this is the trail we found the first time we came here, and we were like, it's like that scene in Narnia. Dang.
Alright.
I just really wanted to see if I could actually jump up there.
I got murder on my mind. You got murder on your mind.
That's what you want to hear going through the forest. The off-trail trails.
What kind of birds are those called?
I don't know.
Tweeters.
Oh, they're
Not
robin?
robin. Cardinals.
Oh, that's why I don't know them.
Away from civilization. Heard that beetle before I saw it. Oh, spider webs. Ooh, bugs. Okay. I don't want to touch anything I don't know. No. Yeah, that's creepy. I don't want to step in there. No. The outer circle is fine, but the fact that there's another circle on the inside, yeah, no.
Oh, that was cool.
It's so pretty in there.
Holy crap.
Oh my god. I like it. That's really cool, actually. Oh my god, I love how casual he was.
I immediately looked at the weapon to see if it was real.
I'm literally shaking.
This is where we die.
Oh look, there's a nice family with a baby.
Did you get him on camera?
I don't know. I put my camera down because I thought we were about to die.
Really?
Look at this freaking weapon. I won't even focus on him, but oh my god. Like, don't aggravate them. Oh my god, that's so creepy. They're literally okay. There's a bunch of people dressed up really creepy in the woods, and one just scared the bejesus out of us.
You need to shake.
My hand was trembling. It probably was shaking, but horrifying. Thought we were gonna die. Like actually, thought that was the end of my life right there.
If he had like, you know, walked by and then just like, ah, you know, like just
yeah,
kind of scares, I would
no,
so
I would have punched him in the face probably. Natural reflex. Like,
So what we need to do is figure out where they're at every weekend.
yes.
And have our own game.
Oh my god.
LARPers players. And find them. You picked the wrong realm to hang out in.
I'm having the weird deja vu thing again, where like I've had a dream before that we were in Dad's work truck filming, talking about Psycho Asylum, the escape room.
That's weird.
Yeah, that was like back when we were living here too, because I remember thinking it was weird we were in Dad's work truck.
Good, James. When I first saw the deer head, I thought it was a uterus.
It is, oh my god. Little do you know, sir, your manly man truck looks very feminine. Is my hair. It's not awful. And home. Made it. I'm exhausted. I had such a great time. I missed my animals a lot, but other than that, it was so much fun. I know. But I had 2 Benadryls and I still can't form sentences. My eyes are still dilated and I can't open them all the way. I tried to fall asleep on the plane, but I didn't actually fall asleep. I'm just still half conscious, so there's that. But I'm exhausted and I'm just going to unpack and go to bed. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I will see you soon.